the blue gold of Jamaica, that tiny island.
Yes, right now we have Phil
From Florida.
Toya from
Florida.
Hello, everybody.
and if you can't tell, she's absolutely Jamaican. All painted up. What do you think of the 2024 Olympic ceremony?
I liked the opening ceremony. I think it was different, especially because they were on the boats and we never really seen anything like that.
I would say this was the best opening ceremony I've ever seen.
You know, sculpture moving and coming out the picture and all of that. So
France really did their thing. Jamaica always looked good as usual, giving voguish. I have nothing bad to say. I enjoyed every moment.
How would you rate the Olympic ceremony out of 10?
probably a 7.
I think it's still not top Beijing or Tokyo. The 2,000 drummers there they had, it was, yeah, they went all out.
Correct.
One of the things you don't like about the ceremony?
The time. Jamaica was only shown, what, 2 seconds? Why?
2 seconds out of the whole
Why?
was. Put some respect on our name, France. Put some respect on our brand.
Exactly.
What events or what games, what sports are you looking forward to most at these Olympics?
Well, Team Jamaica, I'm looking for track and field. That's number 1.
It's got to be the men's 100 meter and the women 100 meter. Come on, France.
You know, it's a world of excitement this year. Who are going to win and who's the number 1 and who are number 1 in the world and who are fastest woman and man in the world and all of that. So I'm looking forward to seeing what's going to happen when they actually line up on the track.
Mine too, but who do you think will win the women's 100 meters?
Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce.
Oh my God.
Hello, Shelly-Ann Fraser.
Shelly can pull off a second or third.
Shelly-Ann fan.
From 2007 till now, eh?
Till now, from first Olympic till now, to the last.
I think Sharika got it. Men's, like I said before, I definitely think between Oblique and Kishane.
Kishane Thompson, of course, the fastest man in the world this year. I know a lot of people are saying otherwise, but Kishane Thompson.
It's gonna be a fight. 1-2, 1-2. Because come on, Kishane is running 9.77 and jogging. He's slowing down.
Other thing where they have Noah Lads as the fastest man alive is rubbish. I think that's personally, I think that's a lot of respect for Usain Bolt. When we know somebody is faster than a Jamaican, we give them that respect.
We understand about speaking it into existence, but
You're like delusional right now. So me think same start, I believe it in a film on head.
And I would like to let the American viewers know this is why Jamaicans have problems with US most times. They're very biased, and I would say they're stupidly biased. Most of them. I don't know where them come from, where them biased and are brainwash the Americans.
But me also look forward to 400-meter hurdles because I was a hurdler. And also Nikisha Price in the open 400.
Nikisha Price, we're watching you. Okay.
Yeah, big up yourself, Nikisha Price. And I like swimming as well as gymnastics.
Phil, thanks so much for your time, and we'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. Look over.
All right.